I'm going to teach the different methods of how to isolate a natural lash. First is the swimming method. This is where I use both of my tweezers and swim gently back and forth between the lashes. As soon as I find a hair that sticks out, I grab it at the baseline. Again, swimming back and forth until I can grab a lash just like this. Second is the slide and grab method. I'm going to bring my dominant hand over and use my application tweezer to pull the lashes to the side. Next, I'll bring my non-dominant hand in and with my isolation tweezer, grab the first natural lash that sticks out. Slide and grab at the base, just like that. Next is the one-handed method. With my isolation tweezer, I'm going into the lash line with the tweezer slightly closed. When I find a hair that stands out, I'm going to open the tweezer slightly. One quick tip is to shimmy your tweezer back and forth when entering the lash line to make it easier to isolate the hair, just like this.